Welcome friends to Sheetal's World of Recipes. Today we are going to make garden green pasta. Let's see the ingredients for garden green pasta. Here I have taken spiral pasta, but you can take pasta of your own choice. 1 pound or 454 gram, 1 small broccoli crown, 1 small bell pepper also known as Shimla mirch, 10 to 15 fresh tender green beans, 1/4 cup green peas, 1 green zucchini, 10 to 15 spinach leaves, 5 to 6 green onions, 4 to 5 green garlic, 2 teaspoon lime juice, 2 tablespoon oil, 2 teaspoon salt as per your taste, green chili as per your taste, 10 to 15 fresh basil leaves, 2 tablespoon fresh parsley. Let's boil the pasta first. Boil according to the instruction given on your box. Boil water for the pasta. Add 1 teaspoon salt. It will help pasta to cook better. Now add pasta and let it cook as per the instruction given. After pasta are done, drain the excess water. Now we will parboil broccoli. Boil the water, add 1/4 teaspoon salt in it. Turn off the stove and add broccoli florets in it for about 3 minutes. Drain it. Now in a bowl we will put 5 to 6 ice cubes. Immediately place the broccoli in ball of ice. After 30 seconds remove broccoli florets and drain them. Take a pan, put it on the low flame, add 2 tablespoons olive oil, add chopped green onions, chopped green garlic, add bell pepper and let them cook for only 2 minutes. Now we will add green chili as per your taste, green peas, zucchini, green beans and cook all the vegetables for 5 minutes on the low flame. Do not overcook the vegetables. Now we will add broccoli florets and finely chopped parsley. Also we will add 1 teaspoon of salt as per your taste. We add salt later to maintain the crunchy texture of the vegetables. Add pasta and mix everything well. Now we will add chopped basil leaves and chopped spinach leaves. Also we will add 2 teaspoons of lime juice. It will enhance the flavor and also it will keep all the vegetables including basil and spinach green. Garnish your pasta with green garlic and green onion. Friends, our pasta are ready to serve. Garden green pasta is a wonderful combination of taste and nutritional healthy green vegetables. You can add vegetables according to your choice and also you can add whole wheat pasta. Friends, for new and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel Sheetal's World of Recipes, like and share and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.